Hello guys, my name is Siddharth and you are watching my YouTube channel 3 Sides. So today in this video we will gonna discuss how you can make a blinking LED with the help of Arduino Uno. So this project might be exciting for you, and really it is exciting. So in this project you will be learning how you can make a LED blink with the help of Arduino. So this project includes coding and as well as electronics part also. So as you can see here, the LED is blinking at a random unique gap. So welcome to 3sides.in, and I am Siddharth, your host. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to discuss what are the components needed in this project. First of all, we will need LEDs, then the Arduino Uno, then we will need a resistor, breadboard, and at last we will need jumper wires. So first of all, let's begin. So paste the Arduino on the breadboard with the help of double-sided tape. Just paste it, and then we have to discuss the circuit diagram. The link of the circuit diagram is in the description, and I'm just making the connection according to the circuit diagram. And the VCC is not, the red wire is connected to the digital pin of 12 and the ground is connected to the breadboard directly. And then we have to connect the LEDs and resistors according to the circuit. Just connect it. As you can see, the connection part is over. Let's connect the USB cable to the laptop and the another end to the Arduino board, and let's check the code. Here as you can see, the LED is connected to the pin number 12, digital pin 12. So we have just let's set up it to 12, and the board is connected to the COM 11, and the Arduino board which we are using is Arduino Uno. So let's upload the code. So the code is compiling and it is been uploading right now, and as you can see, the code is uploaded. As on the Arduino also, the RX and TX pins are blinking. This means the code is uploaded. So the LED is blinking well. As you can see, the LED is blinking at a random gap of time. So let me change the code. I am just making the time intervals very small. As you can see here, the LED is blinking very fast right now because I have just cut the time interval. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share. Thank you.